2 minus 5. So I'm starting with 2 positive chips. And I want to take away 5 positive chips. But I don't have 5. I only have 2. So I'm going to add 3 more. Okay. But in addition to those 3 positive chips, I'm going to add 3 negative chips. So really, I haven't changed the value of 2 at all. This is 2 plus 0 because these all kind of cancel. So this is 2. Oh, and I want to take away 5 positive chips. Okay, so I'm going to take all 5 of these away, and what's left is negative 3. 3 negative chips. On the number line, I start with my person facing at 0, facing forward, and they're going to go 2 steps forward. Okay. And then subtraction means turn around. So I'm going to redraw my person facing the other direction. And now 5 steps forward, right? I already dealt with the subtraction sign by turning around. So now that 5 is a positive 5, and that means go forward 5 steps. So 5 steps in the direction I'm facing, and that lands me here at negative 3.